settle down. Because we are here today for a very special occasion.
Yeah, woohoo!
It is imperative that we reestablish sanity and supremacy before it is too late. Our numbers are waning, thanks to the fools in Congress and their ludicrous ideas. But today, we grow one stronger.
Yeah!
As we anoint a new brother
Yeah!
into our sacred cause.
Yeah!
Please step forward and kneel.
All right. Hey!
Do you choose to accept the light?
Yes, sir. Woo. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Thank you very much. All right.
Come on. Let
There we go.
the eternal light shine.
Yeah! Yeah!
Somebody wait! Wait! Where y'all going? Come back! Come back!
Shit.
Seems like maybe that's a sign, eh?
A test, that's all. A test of devotion to our great cause.
You're just a bunch of morons in ridiculous outfits, which makes you the prize moron.
You dirty son of a bitch! Pathetic! Your moral weakness is showing.
At least hit me properly. Wasting my time. Goddamn hooded rodents. I'll kill all you bastards.